there, and welcome to another Bitesize Piano lesson. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the main piano riff from Tubular Bells by Mike Oldfield, which is the Exorcist theme. The timing is a little bit unusual, which makes it interesting but also gives it that unnerving feel, which is perfect for a horror thriller film. So let's dive in. So just so you know where I've positioned my camera, this is middle C here. So we need to be up here. I'll teach both hands at the same time. The left hand is blue and the right hand is orange on the screen there. So the riff is based on 4 bars. The first 3 bars are 7 beats in a bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the 4th bar is 9 beats, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, and then it starts again. So it's 7, 7, 7, 9. So that's the first thing. The left hand is just going to play this E. So again, here is middle C. So you're going to just place your thumb on E, and that's all that your left hand is going to be doing. The right hand, I do apologise, but my rake only starts from middle C and goes down to G and F. So these notes won't be labelled. So you have thumb on G, 2 on A, 3 on B, 4 on C, and your little finger on D. So the notes are all on the screen, so we just keep our hand in this position. We'll go over each of the 4 bars one by one, bar by bar. It starts with a pickup E. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So we come in on 7th beat with the E, and then we come in with the right hand on beat 1. So I'm going to go really slowly, saying the notes as I play them. E, A, E, B, E, G, A, E. So I'll do that first bar again. And again. So the second bar, C, E, D, E, B, C, E. I do that again. And again. So if we join that from the beginning, now the third bar, A, E, B, E, G, A, E. I do that third bar again. And again. Now I'm going to join those 3 bars together. So remember, all these 3 bars are 7 beats in a bar. I'll do it one more time, a bit quicker. So the 4th bar, so this is a bar of 9 beats, we have C, E, D, E, B, C, E, B, E. Do that again. One more time. So all together, so I'm going to play it through a couple of times, counting whilst I play, and then I'll play it without talking. So I'll count myself in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we'll play it without talking, a bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. and a bit quicker. You can use a pedal as well if you wanted to. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.
So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.